Guys, MUR-LOCK 68 here. I've got a Schlage round body padlock, 11mm hardened shackle. It's 27mm thick and 63 across. I do have a key. The brand new lock does have the shackle removal there once it's open. So I'm going to give it a shot, see if I can get it open. I'll just keep it in my hand here and go in. Click out of 3, click out of 2, and 3 is binding, and we're in. Solid lock, 6-pin core, like I said. I'm going to pull the core out. So you got screws down the shackle here. Just pulls your bottom plate out, and there is your 6-pin core. I'm going to pull this off, and just to show you guys that there is pins in this thing, and then I'll just pause it and we'll got it for you. So I'll just pull the pin off. If I can get the this thing is a little lubed. A little trouble getting the took less time to open it. Jeez. It's gotta be the toughest retainer I've seen. Sorry about that, guys. Can't seem to get this clip to pop off. And there we have it, flying halfway across the room. Now there's the key. You got some nice bitting there, 6-pin. And I accidentally drop some pins here. So what I'm gonna do is it's 3. going to take everything out here, guys, because I botched that. Just so you guys can see it. My apologies. So we have 5 spools and a regular pin with 6 key pins that are serrated. So I don't know if you guys can see that. I swear to you, I gotta get a tripod for this. Sorry about that, guys. There you have it. 6-pin core. Actually, I'm gonna pause the video for a sec and see if I can give you a better look at those pins. Hey guys, my apologies again. My camera's a mess. Anyways, thanks for watching. I still hope you enjoyed the pick. The 6-pin Schlage round body padlock with the American style keyway. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.